Today we're going to be taking a look at this coffee table. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the package, give you my tips and tricks to put this together because there are a few, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you are going to find an inordinate amount of styrofoam, but that's okay. All of the pieces and parts to put this together, the instruction manual, and then all the wood components. Now, the wood was a lot lighter than I expected, so I was hesitant to, but wound up eventually using a drill instead of the little screwdriver that they provide. My son gave me a hand with a few of these, because although this is very easy to put together, it does have a lot of pieces and parts. I got a little ahead of myself and put both sides on B when I shouldn't have. Only one side goes on each B before you get the actual base assembled. So I had to go ahead and take these off because I couldn't get the bottom on. I accidentally put this piece on backwards, so when you're doing this, make sure you have the finished side out. Unfortunately, it's put together now and I can't take it off. So this is just going to be the back, and then I'm going to have both of the graded pieces on the front. On the back of the top two tabs are these little buttons that you can use to extend the little inserts there, and then they just slide up into the top, and then you just kind of set it into the track. One other thing I will note is they do not give you enough stickers to do all of the little holes on both sides. So this side I didn't have any stickers left except this one, and I'm not going to put one on one side. One additional thing I would note is when you were putting the legs on, it's helpful to have an extra screwdriver because they combine the screwdriver and Allen wrench, but you need one of each in order to easily get the screws in for the legs. Overall, this table is very well made. It was easy to put together, but it was time consuming. It took me all in all about 2 hours. But I think you'll agree that it really does look fantastic. It's modern, it's sleek, but it's also classy.